Hey guys, this is Steven Smith coming to you from MarineMax of Houston again with a brand new Harris Tri-Tune we just got in. This is the 230 Sunliner. It's a great model for this year, really popular. We've equipped this one with the midnight blue exterior with a sport graphic and the beige interior, the desert camel, which really just makes the boat look great, and you're gonna love being out on the water in this boat. This is the popular SL floor plan, which has got a single lounger in the rear that flips back so you can have a full lounging experience back here, enjoy sunbathing, watching whoever's tubing on the back of the boat from the ski tow bar, where you can pull a tube, wakeboard, etc. This boat is equipped with a 200 horsepower Mercury, the new engine design for this year. It does have digital throttle and shift, so really easy to go in and out of gear. Lots of torque, lots of mid-range, and really fuel efficient as well. As we come forward, you'll see this lounging area and the captain's chair, which is adjustable. It's got reclining seat back. It does go up and down. It's got tilt steering. At the helm, we've got a touchscreen display built in with GPS, navigation, fish finder, and your depth finder. A nice Bluetooth touchscreen or a Bluetooth head unit here that's got a lot of different features. And this boat has new LEDs for this year from Harris, which are all color changing, standard on all their models that we've ordered, and really just makes it fun to be out on the water and enjoy this boat. At the front, you've got your loungers, drop down armrests on both sides, storage under every seat base. Very easy access. They're all hinged. They have water drain capabilities to keep your stuff that's in there dry. There's a large ski locker built into the floor here that's got the capability for you to put water sports equipment in there, maybe extra safety gear, and a large reboarding door on the side of the boat. As well as we've added the optional double Bimini, so you have full coverage during the summer with full shade for those hot summer months towards the end of the year in Texas. We really want you to come down to MarineMax of Houston today and come take a look at this wonderful new Harris. Thanks.